Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is part 2 of Cumulative Test 18A review. Wanted to kind of show you guys how to do each one of the problems here. So this one we're going to have to popcorn. Is it going to show? There we go. So we're 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then from here we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So that's 2/5 and 2/5. So this is going to cancel. We get y equals 75 times 2, 1 times 5. And 5 will go into 75. Let's see. 75 divided by 5 is 15. So let's put 15 here. And 15 times 2 is 30. Here we're trying to get f by itself. Let me go ahead and change colors. So I'm going to have to subtract. Since I'm adding it, I'm going to have to subtract. So 12.3 minus 5.73 is 6.57. My equals comes down, this goes away, and that's f. Okay. Here we're multiplying two monomials, so we multiply the numbers first. -4 times -2. Get that out of the way. X to the 1 times x to the 1. Y to the 1. Okay, so a negative times a negative gives me a positive 8. X to the 1 plus 1 is x squared y. That's my answer. Let me change again. So this one I'm going to kind of bring up here. I'm going to leave the -5 because I have to multiply this and I have to multiply this. So I have -5 minus -2 times a positive 6 gives me -12 minus a -3 times a -4 gives me a positive 12. Now since I have addition and subtraction, I can just go left to right. So this is subtraction, so I'm going to keep change. So I keep the negative, I make this positive, make this positive. So I have -5 plus a positive 12. They're opposite signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger. And then I have a subtraction problem here, so I'm going to keep change. So that's plus and this is negative. So I have positive 7 plus -12, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger. And that's the test review. Please let me know if you have any questions.